Hey guys, if you decide to get this watch fixing kit, it comes in just like this. It does have the press and it does have a nice little storage bag, basically to keep all your stuff organized. You do get an instruction menu. Instruction menu will explain pretty much all your tools. You can see there, that's all your tools you will get. And it'll show you the press, how to set up the press. Has everything you need in one. You can check both sides to show you a little more stuff. Screwdrivers and how to take it apart, you know, so what certain things are used for. And a dust blower. Shows everything. So let's get it open, show you guys exactly how everything comes. So this right here, let's start with the little bag. Okay, once you open it up, this is all your tools you will need. So you have everything. Pretty cool. Look at this. This is to take the bracelet pins off. So you do have different sizes to fit. So you have the back opener, you have the links, everything you need. You have a pry tool so you can pry things open. And the good thing about it is all organized. So you keep it in here. Whenever you need to use it, you open it up and check it out. So over here, we have also got a little blower so you can take the dust off, stuff like that. So this one right here, this is for your link. You put your link wherever it goes and you take the pin off. So now these are the different cups for the press. So you gotta pick the right size for your press. You get a nice little rubber hammer. I mean, you even get a nice little needle nose pliers. You get everything in the whole thing, and you get your little press. So this is your press. You'll put one side down here, one side up here. That will match your watch. I do have a video on that. You can check it out. I'll try to post it above. So the press is pretty cool. How to put the covers on. That is awesome. So you get everything you need to work on your watch. You cannot go wrong with this kit. You can't go wrong. Everything. There's nothing that's missing. Every single thing. Tweezers. Everything. Awesome kit.